Welcome to the bloody channel, you lot. You want to lose weight, yeah? Today we're diving headfirst into the top 20 foods that'll help you drop those unwanted pounds. We're talking nutrient-dense powerhouses that'll fill you up without filling you out. From vibrant veggies that'll make you feel alive to protein-packed choices that'll fuel your workouts, we're covering it all. Get ready to transform your diet and your life. Let's get cooking. Listen up, you muppets. Leafy greens are your secret weapon in the battle against the bulge. They're practically calorie-free, packed with fibre to keep you feeling full and bursting with vitamins and minerals. Think spinach, kale, arugula. They're all brilliant. Don't you dare tell me you're too good for a salad. We're not talking sad, soggy lettuce here. Get creative. Throw in some grilled chicken or fish, a sprinkle of nuts, a drizzle of olive oil. Make it a flavour explosion. Salmon, you beautiful creature. Not only is it delicious, but it's also a weight loss warrior. Packed with protein to keep you satisfied and omega-3 fatty acids to torch those calories, salmon is a no-brainer. Bake it, grill it, pan-sear it. Just don't overcook it, you donkey. A squeeze of lemon, a sprinkle of herbs, that's all you need. Stop drowning it in heavy sauces. You're not hiding a crime scene. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower. Brussels sprouts. They're not just for picky eaters anymore. These bad boys are your allies in the fight for a healthier you. Low in calories, high in fibre, and packed with nutrients, they'll have you feeling like £1,000,000. Roast them, steam them, stir-fry them. Just don't boil them to death. A little bit of garlic, a touch of spice. Now you're talking. Chicken breast, the protein powerhouse. Chicken breast. It's a classic for a reason. Lean, mean and packed with protein, it'll help you build muscle and keep those hunger pangs at bay. Grill it, bake it, shred it. The possibilities are endless. Just don't you dare overcook it. Nobody wants a dry, rubbery chicken breast. Season it well, experiment with different flavors, make it your own. Eggs. Cracking the code to weight loss. Eggs, they're not just for breakfast anymore. These little wonders are packed with protein and healthy fats to keep you full and satisfied. Scramble them, fry them, poach them. The choice is yours. Just don't overcook the yolk. A runny yolk is a thing of beauty. Add some veggies, some whole wheat toast. Now you've got yourself a meal that'll fuel your day. Tuna reel in the flavour. Tuna. It's not just for sandwiches. This low-calorie, high-protein superstar is a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed in countless ways. Grill it, bake it, flake it into salads. The possibilities are endless. Just don't overcook it. You don't want it to be dry. Add some lemon, some herbs, some avocado. Make it a flavour explosion. Beans and legumes, a fibre-packed fiesta. Beans and legumes, they're not just for vegetarians. These fibre-packed powerhouses will keep you feeling full and satisfied, preventing those pesky cravings. Add them to soups, stews, salads. The possibilities are endless. Just don't overcook them. You don't want them to turn to mush. Season them well, experiment with different flavours. Make them your own. Cottage cheese. It's not just for your grandma anymore. This protein-packed delight is low in calories and high in satisfaction. Enjoy it plain, top it with fruit or blend it into smoothies. The choice is yours. Just don't drown it in sugar. A little bit of honey or maple syrup is all you need. Avocados, they're not just for guacamole anymore. These creamy, dreamy fruits are loaded with healthy fats and fibre to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Add them to salads, sandwiches, toast. The possibilities are endless. Just don't overripe them. Nobody wants a mushy avocado. Nuts. A handful of health. Nuts. They're not just for snacking anymore. These crunchy, satisfying treats are packed with healthy fats, protein and fibre to keep you feeling full and energized. Add them to trail mixes, salads, yogurt. The possibilities are endless. Just don't go overboard. A handful a day is all you need. Whole grains, fueling your body the right way. Whole grains, they're not the enemy. These fiber-rich powerhouses will keep you feeling full and satisfied, preventing those blood sugar spikes that can lead to cravings. Choose whole wheat bread, brown rice, quinoa. The possibilities are endless. Just don't drown them in butter and salt. A little bit goes a long way. Fruits, nature's candy. Fruits. They're not just for dessert anymore. These naturally sweet treats are packed with vitamins, minerals and fiber to keep you feeling full and energized. Enjoy them fresh, frozen or grilled. The possibilities are endless. Just don't go overboard on the high sugar fruits. Everything in moderation. Chia seeds. Tiny seeds, mighty benefits. Chia seeds. They're not just for growing chia pets anymore. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, making them a weight loss warrior's best friend. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal. The possibilities are endless. Just don't forget to drink plenty of water. Chia seeds absorb liquid and can expand in your stomach. Greek yogurt, a creamy, dreamy delight. Greek yogurt? It's not just for parfaits anymore. This creamy, dreamy delight is high in protein and low in fat, making it a perfect choice for weight loss. Enjoy it plain, top it with fruit, or use it as a base for dips and sauces. The possibilities are endless, just don't buy the sugary kind. Plain Greek yogurt is where it's at. Berries, bursting with flavor and benefits. Berries! They're not just for pies anymore. These little gems are low in calories, high in fiber and packed with antioxidants, making them a weight loss warrior's best friend. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or add them to smoothies and yogurt. The possibilities are endless. Just don't drown them in sugar. Let their natural sweetness shine through. Listen up, meat lovers. Lean beef isn't your enemy when it comes to weight loss. This protein powerhouse is packed with iron and other essential nutrients your body craves. Choose lean cuts, trim off any visible fat, and grill it to perfection. Don't overcook it, you want it juicy and flavorful. A sprinkle of salt and pepper is all you need. Quinoa, it's not just a trendy grain, it's a complete protein source that will rock your world. This ancient grain is packed with fiber, iron and other essential nutrients. Use it as a base for salads, stuff it in bell peppers, or enjoy it as a hearty breakfast porridge. Just don't overcook it, you want it light and fluffy. Sweet potatoes, a sweet and savory delight. Sweet potatoes, they're not just for Thanksgiving anymore. These vibrant root vegetables are packed with fiber, vitamins and antioxidants. Roast them, mash them, or spiralize them into noodles. Just don't drown them in butter and brown sugar. A little bit of olive oil and herbs will do the trick. Green tea. Sip your way to a healthier you. Green tea. It's not just for tea parties anymore. This antioxidant powerhouse can help boost your metabolism and rev up your weight loss journey. Enjoy it hot or cold, plain or with a squeeze of lemon. Just don't load it up with sugar. Let the natural flavors shine through. Water, the elixir of life. Water, it's the most essential nutrient of all. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and weight loss. Water helps to flush out toxins, boost your metabolism, and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Carry a water bottle with you everywhere you go and sip on it throughout the day. You can even add some lemon or cucumber slices for a refreshing twist. Right, you lot. We've covered the top 20 foods that'll help you torch those unwanted pounds and get you feeling like £1,000,000. Remember, this isn't about deprivation. It's about making smarter choices and enjoying delicious, nutritious food. Now go out there and conquer your weight loss goals. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.